Hello everyone, thank you all for participating in our event. In this video, I will be explaining a few basic tools that you need to know in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Adobe Photoshop and create a new file. You can choose any size of the artboard that you prefer. I would like to go to Print and select on an A4 artboard. If you wanted to customize the size of your artboard, you can change the number here. For example, I can change it to cm and change the width to 29.7, change the height to 42 cm. Then, I can save my file name here. For example, I would like to save as Basic Tools PSD. Then, for the color mode, you can select on RGB color or CMYK color. The RGB color mode is best for digital work, while CMYK is used for print products. So today I would like to select on RGB color and select 16-bit. After that, create. Now, the file is ready. Photoshop toolbar is located along the left of the screen. By default, the toolbar appears as a long and single column, but it can be expanded into a shorter double column by clicking the double arrows at the top like this. If you want to view the additional tool, you can click and hold on the icon, then the hidden tools will appear. If for some reason you don't have this showing, you can find it by going to Window and click Tool. Like this, pick the tools. The basic tools that we are going to learn today include Move Tool, Polygonal Lasso Tool, Quick Selection Tool, Crop Tool, Horizontal and Vertical Type Tool, Eyedroppers Tool, Spot Healing Brush Tool, Eraser Tool, Paint Bucket Tool, and Dodge Tool. Before we start, I would like to place an image into my Photoshop file. You can go to File and select Place Embedded or Place Link. The difference between Place Embedded and Place Link here is, when embedding an image into a PSD file, you are essentially copying the entire image and pasting it into the new file, meaning that additional information is stored inside the PSD file, increasing its file size. It is a new instance of the image, and editing the original has no effect on the PSD file. When linking to an image, you are keeping the image outside the PSD file. Much like a shortcut in your File Explorer, you can't directly edit the link file without opening it separately first, but the file size is significantly smaller as the linking requires very little information. So today I would like to select on Place Embedded. Then select on the image that I wanted to place. After that, I can resize my image like this. Then click OK. Now my image is ready. Then click on the image layer and right click, convert my image to a smart object. Then right click again, rasterize layer. When the image is ready, first we are going to start with Move Tool. The shortcut key is V. The Move Tool is used to move layers, selections, and guide within a Photoshop document like this. Then this is a tool called Polygonal Lasso Tool. Shortcut key L. You can click around an object with the Polygonal Lasso tool to surround it with a polygonal straight edge selection outline. For example, you can select a spoon using the Polygonal Lasso tool like this. You can click on Ctrl plus or Command plus to zoom in, Ctrl minus or Command minus to zoom out, and click spacebar to drag your artboard like this. Then I will select the spoon using this tool. When the selection is done, you can right-click and click Layer via Copy. Then you will find that the spoon is copied to another layer, like this. The next tool is similar to the lasso tool. It is Quick Selection tool, shortcut key W. The Quick Selection tool lets you easily select an object simply by painting over it with a brush. For example, I can select a copy like this. Just click and hold on your mouse to select the area that you want. You can use the left or right square bracket to enlarge or reduce your brush size, like this. After that, right click and select Layer via Copy. Then I will have one more copy like this. You can click Ctrl T to resize your copy or rotate it like this. And remember to click OK. After that, we can use this tool called Crop tool. Shortcut key C to crop an image and remove the unwanted area, like this. Then remember to click Done. Then this is Horizontal type tool. It is a default type tool which is used to add standard type to your document. For example, like this. You can change your typeface here and change the font size here. Then you can select the color, add swatch or colors, like this. We can also use the vertical type tool to add type vertically from top to bottom. Like this. Next, we move on to the eyedropper tool. Shortcut key I. Photoshop's eyedropper tool samples color in an image, for example, like this. When I select on this color or this color, I can apply it to my font like this. As you can see, my font color is changed to the color that I picked just now. And it's too dark. I would like to change the color to a brighter color, like this. After that, this is Spot Healing Brush tool. Shortcut key J. It quickly removes blemishes and other minor problems area in an image. Use a brush size slightly larger than the blemish for best result. For example, like this. Remember, left or right square bracket to reduce or enlarge the brush size. Then, click on blemish. You see there's a small dot removed. One more time, click on the blemish and then you see something removed here. Then, this is eraser tool. The eraser tool in Photoshop permanently erases pixels on a layer. It can also be used to paint in a previous history state. For example, I can remove the table like this. Then you will see the white background appear like this because the layers behind this image is the white background. So, when I erase the table, it will become white, like this. You can click Ctrl Z to undo, or Ctrl Shift Z to redo. Next, this is Paint Bucket tool, shortcut key G. You can use it to fill an area of similar color with your foreground color or a pattern. For example, you can paint the table like this. Just click on the table. Remember, Ctrl Z or Command Z to undo. I can use my eyedropper to select on this color and then use the Paint Bucket tool to paint the color here. Last but not least, this tool is called Dodge tool, shortcut key O. You can paint over areas in the image with the Dodge tool to lighten them. For example, if I wanted to lighten this road, I can just select it. Can you see the difference? You can also use the burn tool to make it darker. For example, like this. At the end of this tutorial, I would like to show you about how to save your file. You can go to File and click Save As. Select a destination that you want to save in and confirm your file name. After that, click Save. You can always save your file frequently while you are still progressing your design. This is to make sure your data is safe and to avoid any problems happening to your PC. If you want to export your file as JPEG or any other format, you can click on File and Export, Export As. Select the format that you want. For example, today I will save my file as JPEG and then click Export. Same thing here, select a destination, confirm your file name and save. Always remember that RGB is for photo showing and CMYK is for printing. Normally, we will save our file in high quality and you can go for maximum. So, that's all for my tutorial video today. Thank you for your time and I hope you enjoy watching it.